Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm Roykie, and today I'm gonna share to you how to get your first 100 Instagram followers. So let's get started. Number one, find your niche. So what's your Instagram account gonna be? Is it gonna be fitness, food, or fashion? It could be anything you like. Make sure that you really like, that you really love to do it. So when you're ready to find your niche, then you're ready to go. So number two, make a post. So when you make a post, try to put quality on your content. So that quality that gives you a better result. And before you publish your content or your photos or your videos, make sure you put add and hashtag. Hashtag Insta food or hashtag food, hashtag fitness. So put the hashtag related to your post. The hashtag use is to help your post to be more visible. So and more opportunity to get more followers and more likes. Number three, engage to the community. Don't just post and post and post. It's not gonna work. Engage the community, like their post, and leave some comment and make some friends. And number four is be consistent. Don't post now and post next month or next 3 years. It's not gonna work, guys. So you have to post at least once a day. Be consistent. That will help you to grow your Instagram account, and your followers will know you, that you're alive. Yes, I'm here. Yeah, I'm alive. So show them that you are real person, or not real person, or whatever. Like you are active, you are consistent, you are real user that you're using every day. So using every day or posting every day, engaging every day, that will help you to grow your Instagram account. And that way you're gonna get your first 100 Instagram followers. 100, did I say right? Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.